Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube podcast entitled Negosyo Lang Tayo. So for today, magdi-discuss tayo ng another very interesting company na pwede nating i-franchise. Actually, nagulat ako na itong company na to or itong business na to ay open for franchise, no? Kasi because this particular business is owned by SM. So alam naman natin kapag mga companies owned by SM, it's usually financed by SM itself. Hindi talaga siya nagpapa-franchise katulad na lang ni ng mga other stores ni SM, yung convenience store ni SM, 'di ba? So hindi talaga sila nagpapa-franchise. So Goldilocks, which is owned by SM, is actually open for franchise. Ayan. So, gusto ko siya i-discuss sa inyo at gusto kong i-share sa inyo kung magkano, paano mag-franchise ng isang Goldilocks. Okay? So, let's begin.